Most men over 50 think they need to dress young to look young. But that only makes you look older, because it screams insecurity. What truly shaves a decade off your image is elegance with edge. Maturity, not mimicry, is what makes a man stand out. In this video, you'll learn smart, subtle style tricks that make you look instantly younger, without losing your dignity. These tips work for real men with real lives, and real bodies. No need to chase fashion or follow trends. You're going to discover how to sharpen your image, energize your appearance, and walk into any room looking powerful, not like you're trying too hard. And once you make these small changes, people will notice. They always do. Watch until the end, because your age doesn't define you. But your style? That's what introduces you before you speak. Perfect fit, younger frame. The biggest difference between looking sharp and looking sloppy is the fit of your clothes. Most men over 50 wear garments that are too loose, or worse, too tight. Both mistakes add years to your image and subtract strength from your presence. Tailored clothing doesn't mean tight. It means proportionate. It follows the shape of your current body with respect. Your jacket should hug the shoulder, not hang. Your pants should sit at your waist, not your hips. Avoid oversized shirts, especially untucked button-downs that billow at the waist. They make you look heavier and more tired than you are. A proper hem, sleeve length, and structured shape work like visual posture correction. A visit to the tailor costs less than a dinner out, but can take 10 years off your appearance. Fit is invisible elegance. And it's the fastest way to look modern without saying a word. Color that lifts, not fades. Many men over 50 fall into the beige trap. Safe, pale tones that blend into the background. These muted colors can wash out your skin, highlight tired features, and drain your overall energy, no matter how good the fit. The right colors add instant vitality to your face. Navy, deep green, burgundy, charcoal, these are bold. They're commanding. And they contrast beautifully with silver or thinning hair, bringing life to your entire look. Wearing rich neutrals near your face, like a navy sweater or camel coat, creates balance and brightness. Your skin looks healthier. Your eyes look sharper. The change is subtle but powerful. You don't need wild patterns or flashy tones. Just smart, intentional color choices that make your presence feel fresh, not faded. That's how a gentleman looks modern, without ever chasing youth. Modern denim done right. Yes, you can, and should, wear jeans after 50. But not the ones from 2004 with baggy legs and faded knees. And not the super skinny, low-rise types either. The goal is clean, confident denim that complements a mature frame. Choose a straight or tapered leg in a dark wash. Avoid heavy distressing, large logos, or contrast stitching. Think simplicity with strength. The jeans should support your outfit, not be the loudest part of it. Pair them with suede loafers, a crisp polo, or even a lightweight blazer. Instantly, you look relaxed but intentional. You're not dressing like your son, you're dressing like the man your son wants to become. Good jeans are a bridge between casual and classy. When done right, they make you appear modern, masculine, and quietly stylish. All without saying a word. Shoes that speak confidence. Shoes are the foundation of your entire outfit. And many men over 50 wear the same pair every day, either worn-out sneakers or stiff dress shoes. Both options send the wrong message, even if everything else is on point. Look for sleek, modern footwear that balances comfort and refinement. Leather sneakers, suede loafers, or Chelsea boots give you versatility and style without sacrificing maturity. They show you're current, but grounded. Avoid heavy soles or orthopedic silhouettes unless medically necessary. They drag your posture down and signal that you've given up on style. Instead, go for clean lines and rich materials. A great shoe doesn't shout. It supports your image. And when your footwear is strong, the rest of your outfit stands taller, sharper, and younger, just like you. Grooming that restores, not ages. A scruffy beard, untrimmed eyebrows, or dry skin can undo even the most elegant outfit. Grooming isn't vanity, it's discipline. And clean, controlled grooming instantly resets the way the world sees your face. If you wear facial hair, keep it sharp. Define the neckline, trim the cheeks, and use oil to soften texture. Patchy, uneven beards age your face and blur your jawline, never a good look after 50. If clean-shaven, care for your skin. Exfoliate weekly, moisturize daily, and use a gentle razor. Fresh skin reflects light. It creates contrast. And it tells the world you're still present and proud. Don't overlook details, nose hair, ear hair, and eyebrow grooming. They may seem minor, but they shout when ignored. A well-groomed man radiates quiet authority. And that, more than anything, keeps you looking youthful. Accessories with impact. Your accessories tell a story. A sleek watch, a structured belt, the right pair of glasses, these are not extras. They're signals. And when chosen well, they upgrade your presence without effort. Ditch dated frames or oversized lenses. Go for structured glasses that frame your eyes and lift your features. Clean, confident shapes in black, gunmetal, or tortoiseshell look timeless and masculine. Watches should be minimal, not flashy. A clean dial with a leather or steel band is perfect. Avoid chunky sports models unless you're at the gym. Belts should match your shoes, always. And wallets? No Velcro. Ever. Each accessory is a brushstroke in the painting of your image. Use them with care, and they'll create an impression of refinement, attention, and lasting youthfulness. Posture, presence, and the final illusion. No jacket, no grooming, no denim can replace this, your posture. You can wear everything right, but if you move like you've shrunk into the background, your look collapses. Presence begins with how you carry yourself. Stand tall. Shoulders relaxed but strong. Chin level. Breathe deeply. This is not about appearing rigid, it's about claiming your space. Men who move with calm confidence always appear younger. Smile. Engage. Make eye contact. These soft skills are style tools. They make your face brighter, your energy warmer, and your image far more magnetic. And they cost nothing. A man with posture, presence, and polish can wear the simplest clothes and still look unforgettable. Because elegance isn't just what you wear. It's how you show up. You don't need to chase youth to look younger. You just need to refine what already makes you powerful. Tailored fits, purposeful color, modern grooming, and quiet confidence, these are your new tools. When your jeans fit, your beard is shaped, and your shoes speak class, you walk differently. You feel seen again. You look like yourself, only sharper. More focused. More alive. The world may expect men over 50 to fade into the background. But with these style upgrades, you don't fade, you elevate. You show that age is not decline. It's refinement. So go ahead, walk taller, dress sharper, and live louder. Because the man you are today deserves to be seen in his best light.